Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Portuguese DIY dad, and I'm really hot and sweaty, and I'm sorry my appearance is not the best right now, but I wanted to make a quick video. I'm about to change the sensor on the Tahoe, and I wanted to just put this on YouTube and hopefully it helps someone. So this week the airbag light came on, and it happens to be a sensor, so I plugged in my Autel MK808 and I got this code. It's B0084-39, and it says right front impact sensor internal electronic failure. So from what I understand, there are two sensors right down here. It's the impact sensors. So I took the plate, this plate, took it off, and there's one sensor and there's the other sensor. So according to that, the right one, which is the driver's side, the driver is always right, and that one needs to be changed. So I'm going to change it, and there's one bolt, and that's a 10mm, so you need to use one of these guys to get it out, and unplug it, of course, and with a flat head push it in, unplug it, and we're about to do that. So I wanted to show you where that is. Really simple. The sensor is about $85, and I got it at Advance Auto, and it should be simple. So I wanted to show you that so you can see, and hopefully I can help somebody out. Yeah, it's kind of difficult to do with one hand, but you know, we gotta make it happen. And you know, something I do want to comment is that, you know, we do these things, and we do what we do, you know, to save money, so we don't have to take it to the mechanic. We try to do it ourselves, and you know, some things it's doable and some things aren't. This is doable. This is definitely doable. So there it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and unplug it, put the new one back in, and then show you later on. So this is the new sensor. It is a Dorman 590203. Of course, this is for an 07 Tahoe, as you can see. And this is the new guy right here. So looks like it's a pretty simple swap. Alright, so took the old one out. This is the new one. It's gonna go in the same way that it came out. Gonna plug that in and put the safety pin. Okay. Alright, and that's gonna go back in. Alright, that's it, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten that up, and then it'll either reset by itself or I'll have to reset it. So good luck. Thanks for watching. Hope